Your friends want you every time I call. I know, you know, I've done nothing wrong. You can't help but try to write me off. You won't let me have it all. But I want to show you I want you, 'cause I can feel you hesitate. And I want to show you I want you, and I can feel that you're afraid. You've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. You make me want to prove it. Make me want to prove it. You keep me guessing, you keep me on my toes. But where you're going, I might never know. But usually I can see the finish line, but with you it hasn't crossed my mind. Yeah, I know that you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. 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 You make me want to prove I want to show you I want you, but I can feel you hesitate. I want to show you I want you, but I can feel that you're afraid. Oh, you've been trying to guess what I'm trying to do. You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself. Don't know what to say, things ain't the same. I felt that we lost our way, the street is two ways. And girl, and everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? 'Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. I never thought that this would hit me so quick and hard. I never thought I'd live, I never thought I'd miss your heart. But this turned to shit that we can't fix. And girl,